Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 things you should set up before Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Start collecting emails as early as possible. To ramp up your email marketing efforts, you may want to consider a sign-up promotion. Offer your customers 5 to 10% off for signing up to your mailing list. This will give you a wider audience to target with your email marketing efforts closer to Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Make sure you have a post-purchase follow-up system in place. You're going to want to reach out to your customers after Black Friday, Cyber Monday to really take advantage of the increase in traffic. Reach out to your customers to ask for reviews, and send them product recommendations that will complement the purchases they made during the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. The goal is to turn would-be one-time purchasers into repeat customers that keep coming back to your business over and over again. Speaking of repeat purchases, one of the best ways to maximize your results during Black Friday, Cyber Monday is to have a plan in place to remarket to existing customers. Consider sending out an email campaign in advance of Black Friday, Cyber Monday to entice existing customers to revisit your website. You could offer them all kinds of incentives. A perfect example of an offer for existing customers would be early access to Black Friday, Cyber Monday pricing through the use of a discount code sent out to them in advance of the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. In order to maximize your success during the sale itself, make sure you have abandoned cart reminders up and running. Not only do you want to encourage customers that leave the site during checkout to come back and take a look at your products, you also want to remind them of the amazing sale opportunities that they're missing out on. Customize your abandoned cart reminders to make specific mention of Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and highlight the best deals available on your online store. Finally, and this may sound obvious, make sure you have enticing email campaigns ready to go. You're going to want to send out engaging single-send campaigns multiple times within the weeks leading up to Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and during the sale itself. There's a lot of different stores vying for your customers' attention during this sale, and you want to make sure that your messaging isn't getting lost in the mix. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know 5 things you can do in advance to maximize your email marketing efforts during Black Friday, Cyber Monday.